Tired of spending your weekends scrubbing your pool? Wish you had more time to relax and enjoy the summer? Then get ready to meet the WYBOT C2 Vision, the smartest, most efficient pool cleaning robot on the market. Forget about tedious manual cleaning. The C2 Vision uses cutting-edge AI vision technology. Its built-in camera intelligently detects and avoids debris, cleaning up to 99% of your pool floor, walls, and even waterline, all automatically. That's 20 times more efficient than traditional cleaners. With 7 intelligent path planning options and 8 customizable cleaning modes, the C2 Vision adapts to any pool shape and your cleaning needs. Control everything from your smartphone with our easy-to-use app. Schedule cleanings, select modes, and monitor progress, all from the palm of your hand. And unlike other high-end robots, the WYBOT C2 Vision offers unbeatable value. Get the power and intelligence you need without breaking the bank. For a limited time, we're offering a special introductory price, but this offer won't last. Don't miss out on this opportunity to reclaim your weekends and enjoy a sparkling clean pool all summer long. Click the link below to order your WYBOT C2 Vision now and experience the future of pool cleaning. Supplies are limited, so order today.